back to my channel. My name is Ekta and I'm a cabin crew with an Indian airline. I hope you all are doing great. Even I am absolutely good. So, in today's video, I will be telling you about 5 weird rules that a cabin crew has to follow. Be it an Indian airline or an international airline, any airline, cabin crew have to follow these rules. And what else? Okay, let's directly jump into the video. So, the first one is that as a cabin crew, when we enter the airport, after that we need to put our phones on vibration mode, not on switch off mode, but then at least on vibration, so that and we cannot use our phones because we are in uniform, fully in uniform. We have our lanyards, everything, AP and everything. So there are other passengers also obviously on the airport, so we are not supposed to use our phones, because there are other passengers also, so we are not supposed to, strictly not supposed to use our phones in passenger view. So that's the thing. I mean, if or any relatives and it's an emergency, it's really urgent, then you can take that call or anything, but usually you cannot. And if you are caught using your phones on your flights, so it's a big no no, absolutely no. Then you will have to explain yourself, you will have to mail them like what's the reason and all that. So yeah, that's the first thing. So basically we cannot use phones in passenger view. So now the second thing is that we are not allowed or supposed to eat in front of passenger view. Again, say I have a airport standby, or say I have a halt at any any particular place. So in halls there are lounges booked for us, so there we can go and obviously have our food or whatever, but like take away, and you can like go on a flight and then have it. But usually you cannot eat at the airport when you're fully dressed, you're in a uniform and all. And also in the flight, you're not, even after the service is done and then that's our time, like we can eat and do anything in the galley, but even at that time we cannot eat in passenger view. Like if there is a passenger that is coming towards the galley, so we like we try to like hide the food, or at times we just get irritated also, like what the hell, what is this and all that. But we are not supposed to eat in passenger view. So in our airline we don't have the curtains and all that whatever, so we just turn a little bit or just stop eating. Most of the time we just stop eating because we are not allowed to eat in passenger view. What if a passenger complains and this and that? I know it is very weird, like why would a passenger complain just because he saw a crew eating? Because but then, like, how this is how it is basically. So yeah, we are not supposed to eat in passenger view. And the third thing is that we cannot say a passenger no directly. Like let's say that a passenger is asking for a coffee, and we are doing service, all of us, and a passenger is asking for coffee and I don't have coffee. It is finished in my cart. I know that it is not there in anybody's cart. Okay, but still I cannot refuse a passenger. I cannot directly say, okay, there is no coffee, choose something else. I cannot say that. So even if I know that I'm going to waste my time like saying this, but still I have to say the passenger, it is not there in my card. Let me just check in other crew's card and then get back to you or whatever. Or I can give him another alternative, like we have tea also, this and that, juices also. But I cannot say directly no. I mean, I don't know if there's a logic or not, but this is like very weird for me. I mean, I'm wasting my time and his time also, but this is how it works. Now let's go on to the fourth thing. So the fourth thing is that obviously when we are going for flight, we dress up in the company uniform and our lanyards, ID cards and all of it, hairstyle and everything. But when we are on our SLT, like if I'm traveling somewhere from like I'm buying a ticket and traveling somewhere, but still I'm a staff, like I'm traveling on staff travel basically. So I cannot travel in like random anything like casual, or like any jeans, t-shirt or shorts or anything, pajamas or anything. I cannot travel in that because um, if you book a full ticket and then go, then it's fine because the company won't know only that you are traveling, you're a crew and you are traveling. But if you are taking staff travel, which every airline gives to their to the employees. So you cannot travel in pajamas or jeans or top. There is a particular attire. You have to be in formals, not formals, then at least very decent casuals like pants or a decent t-shirt on everything. You cannot just randomly pick any top, crop top and jeans, and we cannot travel like that. So yeah, that's that. And the fifth thing is that we cannot roam in the hotels in pajamas and shorts and all that. I know this is this thing is like, this irritates me so much because um see, I have come after a flight, or I have come after a early morning flight. Most of the time this happens. I have come after an early morning flight. I have landed around 8 and I'm reaching hotel around 9, and then I'm changing and doing all of the stuff, and then I need to have breakfast, right? So I can order in the room also. They have in room dining service, but then in the room there are very few options, so it's better to go in the buffet. So for the buffet, if you're going down, so you need to wear again the full formal thing and all that. Like not formal, but then at least pants and decent t-shirts and all that. So you cannot just go in your pajamas, whatever you are wearing in the room. Like right now I'm wearing pajamas, but if I have to go down and eat something, or even I have to go for a walk or anything, even if there's somebody coming to meet me and I need to go out of the hotel, I need to go in full decent clothes. So that is that. This is the thing, this thing, the fifth one, this is the most irritating thing, because I feel like what the hell, like after a tiring flight I'm wearing pajamas and everything, and very relaxed and all that, and now I want to eat good food, but for that good food I need to change again, do extra mehnat, and then go down, and then only I can have my food. Because um if there is anybody, any senior crew or anybody, any employee or any hotel staff, because hotel staff, they know that we are a crew, right? So if they complain anything, I don't know what they can complain, but then they say that if they complain, then you're gone and all that. So in case they complain, so it's just better to like take proper precautions and whatever, and just wear decent things and then go. These were the five things that I find very weird, and like get irritated also most of the times. But yeah, these were the five things which I mentioned in this video. There are a lot more, trust me. If you want me to make a proper list of these things and share it in the next video, please let me know in the comments down below. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, and all the other social medias. It will be mentioned in the description box and somewhere here also. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed this, and hit that bell notification to be notified next time I post a video. Till then, bye bye, take care.